Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Marian Honor, and today we'll be playing a little matchmaking game, the LGBTQ plus edition of Pusuan or Laruan! Woo! How the game works. As you can see, we have this line of gorgeous singles over here, and we'll also be bringing out some eligible sexy singles one by one. So, kung napupusuan yung ating sexy single, feeling yung magiging kamatch niya siya, vibe niya siya, or interested pa kayo sa mga sasabihin niya, do not pop your balloon. Pero kung feeling yung hindi niyo siya napupusuan, hindi kayo masyadong nagba-vibe, you can go ahead and pop your balloon. Are you ready, singles? Yeah! Woo! All right, let's play Pusuan or Laruan! Alright, here comes our first sexy single. Hello! Hi!
Hi.
Okay, so what's your name and how old are you?
I'm Maddie. I'm 20 years old.
And Maddie, what do you do for a living or anong job mo?
I work as a business banker.
Okay, and what are your hobbies or what do you like to do for fun?
Well, technically, I'm mostly at home, but I do really love cooking, and it's not really halata, I would say, but a lot of people would say that I'm a gaming nerd.
Okay. And what do you look for in an ideal partner? Physical or personality-wise?
Well, physical-wise, I don't really have any like particular lookings.
Okay.
As long as, we could really vibe, I'm totally cool with that. I don't really have any problems with it.
Okay.
But like more like on ugali, I would say a guy with a common sense.
Common sense.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just simple common sense would really help it.
How about mga deal breakers mo or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
The only pet peeve or a deal breaker that I would say is just if a guy lies.
Okay.
That's just the only thing I wouldn't really go with.
Okay. Well, as you can see, wala pa nagpa-pop ng balloon, so it's up to you. I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Kind of hard to pick. I'm sorry.
All right, let's go over here. What's your name? How old are you? And what do you do for a living?
Well, my name is King. I'm 24 years old. I was a drag artist full-time before, but right now I changed industry.
Okay, and King, bakit hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon mo?
Because I want to know more about her, especially kasi parang tulad na sinabi niya kanina, she likes to cook, mahilig din ako magluto. So parang nagkaroon ako ng interest about sa pagluluto. Yun.
So type mo naman sana siya kung hindi ka niya pinop?
Well, she will never know. Sarap.
Okay, so it's a mystery.
Yeah, it's for me to find out.
Do you have any response to that?
Well, yeah. I mean, yeah, I guess, cooking is fun. I would like to cook with you if ever. But I would definitely see you more of kind of a friend time.
Is that the reason bakit mo pinop yung balloon niya? Okay. So, hindi siyang usual type, more you wouldn't go out on a date?
I would, but I would still prefer him to be as like more of a tropa type.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any response to that?
Sure, tropa na lang sis.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Yan, 24. I work in a BPO company as a learning associate.
Okay, and Yan, bakit hindi ka nag-pop ng balloon for her?
So yun, since umpisa pa lang naman, well, pagpasok naman natin dito sa room, hindi pa naman talaga natin kilala yung isa't isa. So gusto ko siya bigyan ng chance.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya kung di siya nag-pop?
Well, when it comes to love, I don't really mind, or it doesn't matter if mas femme siya or mas ako or opposite, ganyan. As long as genuine. Pero I really admire the way she talk. Very composed.
Yeah, thank you.
Bakit mo naman pinop yung balloon niya?
Same as him, actually. I would definitely see him as more as a friend, and I really love your makeup, by the way.
Mag-share lang ng makeup tips.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
you as well.
Okay, let's go back over here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So right now, I want you to ask a question that will help you narrow down your decision kung sino ba yung dapat mong ipop.
Okay. Like, I guess the question would be, what would be your love language and why?
Okay, let's start over here.
Hi, my name is Eds. I'm 23 and currently I'm working at a BPO industry as a customer support representative. So, whenever I'm in a relationship, my love language is words of affirmation and acts of service. I think that two attributes, if combined, is the perfect way for me to show my love to my partner.
Hi, I'm Mark and 20 years old, and then I'm admin in the school, and then we just come to relationship. My is physical touch. ayun yung gusto ko sa lahat is yung physical touch talaga.
My name is Aaron and I'm 24 and I'm currently working in AirAsia as a ground attendant. And my word of affirmation is quality time.
Your love language is words of affirmation and quality time? Okay. All right.
Hi, my name is Pao. I'm 29 and I work as a BPO employee. Yeah. Love language will be act of service because I want to pagsilbihan kita, like I'll carry your bag, pagbubuksan ng pintuan, something like that. And then words of affirmation because I want to assure na every day I'll tell you na how do I really love you, like ganun kita kamahal, and then how beautiful you are, just how beautiful she is right now, and then what else? Physical, more on physical love. Yeah, that's all.
You good with that?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Alvin. I'm 27 years old and I am a freelance actor and also a TV host and also at the same time a BPO a call center agent. And yung love language ko po is physical touch and also a quality time. Kasi quality time is parang sa oras na meron kami every night shift, yun yung parang makikita ko kung gaano kahalaga yung pag-uusap namin dalawa kahit magkaiba yung oras namin. And also physical touch, gusto ko lagi ko nararamdaman yung taong mahal ko na safe ako sa kanya.
So based on those answers, I would like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Okay. So those are really great answers, I must say. And I've noticed majority of you guys are working in a BPO company, and that's really good because I also do work night shift myself.
Okay.
So I guess I might pop it based on that due to the reason, the time. So, sorry.
All right, let's go over here. Why did you decide to pop yung balloon niya?
I guess because he mentioned earlier that you were still studying, right? Or wait,
I work as an admin.
yeah, an admin at a school, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So still possibly the time frame is, he works at morning, I work at night, so hindi talaga magmi-meet siya. So
Like schedule-wise, more of
we're
that.
kind of gonna have a hard time communicating with each other.
Okay. And how about you? Bakit hindi mo pinapagad yung balloon?
Kasi mahilig din ako magluto. And then nakikita ko siya na okay kami magkasama, I guess. That's why hindi ko siya pinapop. Okay, yun lang naman.
So type mo naman sana siya.
Yeah, I guess.
Sorry.
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
You don't want to change your mind?
It is what it is.
Okay. All right. Okay. Well, thank you so much. Bakit mo pinop yung balloon niya?
I did like his answer, words of affirmation and acts of service, right? Yeah. I did like majority your answer, but I'm more of myself, more of a physical touch kind of person. So I would still prefer, still being with that person most of the time, I would say. Because I'm a very clingy person. my friends know that. But yeah, that's just pretty much my reason on why.
Okay,
I
so
pop his
difference
balloon.
is love language.
Yeah, I would say.
Okay. How about you? Bakit hindi mo pinapagad yung balloon for her?
I really like the vibe. I think pag kunwari magbabor, masaya sa kasama ganun.
So type mo naman sana siya.
Yes po. Kasi may ex po akong trans, medyo ang hawig niya.
Aww.
Medyo ganun yung visual.
Malay mo later.
May pa-sequel pala later. So right now we have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. I'd like you to ask one more question to help you narrow down your decision.
Okay. So if you were in maybe in an argument with you and me, if we're like together as a couple, what would be your thing that the first thing that you're gonna do, if ever?
Okay, let's start over here.
Okay, kasi I'm a type of person na very confrontational. So as long as alam kong ako yung tama, I won't back down. So if that will be a conflict between us, ngayon pa lang ini-inform na kita.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Sorry, English yung question. De, joke.
Translate daw.
Tagalogin natin.
No, just kidding. If we'll have an argument, I'll not talk to you for the meantime.
Cool down muna ba?
Cool down muna. Not cool off, cool down. Okay. Kasi, I mean, galit ka, galit ako. So like, two volcanoes crashing. So, you know what will happen, right? So, mas mahirap magsalita pag parehas kang galit. So, I think, cool down muna tayo, tulog muna tayo, and then once we wake up na, let's talk about it. Yun. Let's clear our mind first. Ganon.
Pag nandun naman po kami sa sitwasyon na yun, parang mas papaboran ko siguro yung pagiging mature ng pagiging magjowa natin. Kasi hindi naman tayo mag-aaway kung wala kang ginagawa o wala rin akong ginawa. Then parang bibigyan natin siya ng chance na pag-usapan kung bakit mo nagawa o bakit natin pinag-aawayan yun. Hindi natin siya basta ipapalakihin yung away. Parang kung nandun tayo is mag-uusap tayo ng masinsinan and be mature enough na lang pag andun ka na sa relasyon na yun. Kasi di ba pag mahal mo yung tao, hindi mo hayaan na masaktan siya.
Yeah, that's a really good answer. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to pop 1 balloon.
Those are some good really good answers. But it gets really tough by time. I guess I'll have to pop you. Sorry.
Bakit mo pinop yung balloon niya?
I guess it's just the fact that he's a very confrontational person and I'm really not. Because when it comes to an argument, I have 3 things that I've actually learned myself. 3 things that I always tell myself is to not say anything when you're angry, not do anything when you're sad, and not make promises when you're happy. And I learned to do that. And the fact that, you're just gonna confront just because you know that you're right, instead of, understanding maybe why both parties are having, an argument and how did it started in the first place, Just by understanding it side by side would really help it just not being one-sided,
Do you have any response to that?
Regarding po dun sa about do not say anything when you're angry. I think hindi naman every argument is because you're both angry, right? Maybe it's because of some misunderstanding. So, kaya ko rin nasabi na I'm very confrontational and I'm not backing down if I'm in the right place. It doesn't mean na sumisigaw ako or not. I am like that person because ganun ang pinaka ng parents ko. To explain myself, ganun.
I mean, we all have different experiences, so it's up to him naman.
All right, so this time we have 2 balloons left. Sila naman na mag-a-ask ng question sa'yo to help them figure out kung good match ka ba for them. Okay, let's go over here. So, may question ka ba for her?
Right now, question. Actually, there's a lot.
1 lang.
Yeah, just only one. What's your preference in a guy? Like, I know you mentioned earlier that you don't have that, like, any specific preference when it comes to your partner. Pero when it comes to attitude towards your relationship, attitude towards you, attitude towards your family, what preference do you have?
That's a really good question. Thanks for asking. Well, technically, my preference sa guy naman is, because I'm really not too picky. No matter how tall, no matter how small you are, no matter how you look, no matter how you wear, as long as, we really get the energy together, that, we really vibe. We really enjoy each other's company no matter what, and we both understand each other's feelings. That I'm really good with that. Pero if you want to go for more specific, it's really hard to tell right now, because I'm kind of nung tumagal from sa relationships, I kind of just really went to the flow na lang. So I stopped expecting too much on things, kasi you know what happens when you expect a lot of things from someone. You really get disappointed. So, siguro if we get the match, I would say you might know more about me. I guess it's just really for you to find out.
Okay. You good with that?
Yeah. I'm good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. All right, let's go over here. Anong question mo for our sexy single?
Paano mo may handle yung sacrifices mo between your guy and also your parents? Kasi di ba nasa naman tayo, hindi naman natin masabi na hindi lahat ng magulang is tanggap kung sino yung magiging partner mo. How did you handle the situation if your parents ayaw niya sa taong nagugustuhan mo, then gustong-gusto mo yung taong yun?
That's a really good question. Well, when it comes to that, technically, I did grow up from a broken family, so I only have my mom to go beside me. So far, honestly, by experience, my mom never stopped me to actually date anyone. She just gives me a warning that she doesn't want to see me cry ever again whenever I date someone, because I always go at her whenever something happens. Technically, they're not the one who's you're dating, diba? It's me. Ako yung dinidate mo. So they don't have the right to actually control on my choices. Buhay ko yun. It's my life. It's gonna be my happiness, and my happiness is gonna be their happiness. Yun lang. Thank you.
You good with that?
Medyo.
Are you looking for something?
Okay. All right. Okay, so since hindi pa sila nagpa-pop ng balloon, I would like you to... Oh! Okay, never mind. Let's go back over here. Okay, let's start with you. Bakit ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
Actually, I don't want to pop my balloon because, you're gorgeous. Super. I'm already 29. And if I'm going to think of a relationship that is go with the flow, it's kind of hard. Because what if there will be a part na hindi pala tayo magtutugma, So that will be like a conflict between the two of us. And when you come into a certain age, I'm not saying na gano'n naman ako katanda, but when adulting is life. So I want a person na, alam mo yun, may certain plan na siya. What does she want or he want sa isang tao? I'm not just really good with go with the flow. Yeah. Yun.
Do you have any response to that?
No, it's okay. We all have our preference, and I do get where you're coming from with that. Pero syempre, diba, that's the part of dating, getting to know that person. Pero yeah, that's pretty much it.
Okay, pero type mo naman sana siya.
Super. Morena, the Filipina color, tall, sexy.
Sure ka na sa sagot mo? You can still get your balloon back if you want.
Just like what she said earlier, it is what it is. Okay. Sorry.
It's okay.
All right. Well, thank you so much. Okay, let's go over here. Bakit ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
When it comes to matter na sinabi mo na dun sa family mo. And I understand na you're broken family and hindi ko naman inaano yun. And sorry for hear that. Dun na akong medyo na down kasi sabi mo na parang wala silang right to break or to harangin kung ano kung ano man magugustuhan mo. And well, parang sa akin kasi ganun, parang hindi siya best way na wala silang right. Parang dapat sasabihin mo is meron silang karapatan na harangin nila pero pwede mo naman silang kausapin in a nice way. Kasi minsan kasi para magti-trigger doon sa part na parang naging kakaibang anak ka sa kanila. Parang ganun. Kasi parang inalisan mo sila ng, karapatan na pagsabihan ka as a child.
Do you have any response to that?
I do totally get that. It's just the fact that I actually grew distant to my parents. I actually moved out when I was 18. So it's still, situational.
Do you have anything to say?
Wala. Basta keep love with your parents.
Okay, pero type mo naman sana siya kung hindi ganun yung naging response niya to that situation, that theoretical situation.
Well, percent man, as 80. Kasi may mga ex din naman akong mga transgender. Then, ayun, that's 80%. Pero feel ko makikita mo pa yung taong para sa'yo.
Thank you. You too.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, well, I think that's all of the balloons. So thank you so much for joining the show.
Thank you as well.
I hope you can join us again next time.
Definitely.
All right. Here comes our next sexy single. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, so what's your name and how old are you?
I'm Dash. I'm 24.
Okay, Dash, what do you do for a living or anong job mo?
I am an accounts manager and at the same time I do freelance video editing.
Okay. And ano namang mga hobbies mo? Or what do you like to do for fun?
I used to play indoor and outdoor volleyball before. I was an athlete.
Okay.
But right now, I am living independently, so I'm a homebody. My idea of fun na lang is nagluluto, ganyan, watching documentaries. I love documentaries.
Okay. Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Personality, physical?
Physical-wise, since I'm a twink, I'm looking for someone who's buff sana.
Okay.
And much taller than me, siguro around 5'8".
Okay. And ano namang mga deal breakers mo or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Very particular ako with someone who has a history of cheating.
Okay.
So, that's a no-no for me.
Okay. All right. So, right now, wala pa nagpa-pop ng balloon. So, I would like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
2 agad.
2.
Ang hirap pala pumili. Okay. Base lang sa physical appearance lang siguro muna.
Go ahead.
Sorry.
All right, let's go over here. What's your name? How old are you? And what do you do for a living?
Hi, my name is King. I'm 24 and I was a drag artist full-time before and I changed industry. And ayun.
And King, bakit hindi ka nagpop agad ng balloon?
Kasi sabi niya nagluluto daw siya. Mahilig nga ako Mahilig nga kasi ako magluto.
Sayang naman.
Sayang naman.
So type mo sana siya.
Gusto ko interested na makilala siya. Kasi marunong siya magluto nga.
Kailangan niya pala ng cook.
Pwede naman.
So bakit naman siya pinop mo?
Parang for me lang, the energy is too much for me. Like, I feel like she's very active. I mean, what's your pronouns ba? Ano pong pronouns niya?
He.
Sorry. So, he's very active and feeling ko ma-drain out ako na hindi ko siya masasabayan. Kasi sabi ko nga na I'm a homebody lang and nabanggit din niya pala na he was a drag artist before. So, I think that requires too much social capability. So, parang feeling ko hindi kami mag-vibe sa ganong energy.
Do you have any response to that?
Before nga yun wala na akong trabaho. Wala na akong work. Pwede bahay-bahay na lang.
Sorry.
Bahay-bahay na lang daw siya. Hindi na daw siya ganun ka-energy.
The cooking.
Nanay.
Okay lang, go.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Yan, 24, and I work in a BPO company.
Okay, so yan, bakit hindi ka nag-pop ng balloon agad?
Well, same din naman. If ako yung nasa position niya, gusto ko rin naman mabigyan ng chance. And for sure, lahat tayo naman sa umpisa gusto mabigyan ng chance. So, gusto ko siya din bigyan ng chance, ganun. Pero no hurt feelings naman kasi may kanya-kanya naman tayong preference, ganun. Pero yun, thank you.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yun nga, depende kasi depende. Mamaya, malay natin, di ba, sa mga sagutan niya, talagang spot on, pakak. So, baka. So, ayun, thank you for being honest.
So, bakit naman siya yung napila mong ipop?
For me lang, I've never tried dating kasi someone who's femme. So, I don't know the ins and outs. So I'm not sure then kung mag-workout siya for me, and I think yung at this pace of my life parang I'm not at that pace na magta-try ng bago. So yun. Yun lang.
Do you have any response to that?
Why not? Malay mo mag-grow ka. What? Charot lang.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. So right now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So right now, magtanong ka ng isang question that will help you narrow down your decision.
Yung question ko is, nasang phase na kayo ng life nyo ngayon? Like, are you on the adventure part pa or getting to know yourself, like soul searching, or nasa settling in na ba? So, yeah.
All right, let's start over here.
Hi, my name is Ed Self, and I'm 24, and currently I'm working at a BPO company. So right now, I'm in the phase of my life na hindi naman sa adventurous, pero nasa time ako ng self ko ngayon na mag-give back sa parents ko. Kasi like ever since kita ko yung hardships nila para lang mapagtapos ako sa college. And ngayon, I think it's time for me naman to give back to them.
Hi, I'm Mark Jason, 20, and then I work as an admin. And then for me is ang kinakarap ko ngayon is minabalik ko kung ano yung naitulong din sa akin ng friend ko, katulad din sa kanya. Kasi lumaki ako na hindi ko lahat nakukuha kung ano yung gusto ko. Bilang breadwinner and then panganay din. Nasa life din naman ako na nakukuha ko yung gusto ko as well na binibigay ko rin yung gusto ng parents ko. And then yung mga kapatid ko. Yun lang.
Hello, my name is Aaron and 24, and yes, I'm currently working in AirAsia as a ground attendant. And when it comes to that, yes, for settle na din ako since medyo yun tumatanda na. Parang hindi na ako in yung phase na still yes, adventure. No, I'm looking for someone to settle with in the future. That's it.
Hi, wait lang, lugi kami kasi yung may discount sa AirAsia.
Factor ba yung discount sa AirAsia for you?
Siguro, pero hindi ako matravel.
Okay. O, yun naman pala.
Kami naman pop na namin, be.
Kinunahan. Pala decision. Okay.
No, just kidding. Phase of my life, subdivision phase 3. No, just kidding. Siguro, wait, Pau pala, 29, BPO employee. What do you call this? I'm on a phase of my life na I'm currently building myself, like saving for my future, and then currently saving for my dream house. So, I mean, I'm not getting younger. I'm already 29. And syempre, once I retired, gusto ko I have like all the needs that I'll be needing. Syempre, with my partner in the future. Yun lang. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Alvin, 27 years old. Like what I've said, I am a freelance actor and at the same time, BPO call center agent. Nag-work ako, pinagsasabay ko minsan yung pagtitaping and also yung pag-call center to support my family. Yan. Andun na ako sa era ng buhay ko na iniisip ko na lang kung ano yung magandang kinabukasan na pwede namin gawin with my family. Ganun. And planning, andun ako sa planning, more plan.
How about relationship-wise? Are you more like still exploring or ready to settle down?
Getting to know each other or yeah, I am ready naman.
Pwedeng mag-ask pa?
Follow-up question?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Gusto ko lang i-ask yung, since you mentioned na you're a freelance actor, like ano-ano na yung mga projects mo na nagawa?
Pwede bang sabihin? Madami na eh. Yung latest, yung Pulang Araw. Actually, galing ako doon. Galing ako nung kahapon and kagabi sa gig. Dumiretso ako dito. Yun. Kaya medyo batak yung mukha. Sorry, ganun. Ayan, marami na. May mga commercials na din. Ayan. Then, TV hosting sa TikTok din.
Okay, so based on those answers, I would like you to pop 2 balloons.
I just love the fact na most of them are very specific din na with helping their families. Because that's very thoughtful. Pero...
Si AirAsia. Nakuha sa AirAsia, yung ba? Okay, let's start over here. So bakit mo pinop yung balloon niya?
Actually, hindi ako nag-base dun sa answer niya sa question. It's just that he's too young for me. Like, I don't date guys kasi which is younger than me. So, that's not my preference lang.
Pero if not for the age, type mo naman ba sana siya?
I could try, siguro.
Like willing to go out and get to know more, kung ganun.
Yeah, siguro, may chance.
Okay. And how about you? Bakit hindi mo pinapagad for him?
Kasi pares kami mahilig magluto. I think kaya ko siya paglingkuran kahit di na ako magtrabaho pero wala pinotok niya eh.
Ano response mo dun sa sinabi niya?
Sa tingin niya na mas bata ako pero mas matanda ako tignan sa'yo eh. Para sa sinabi naman, ginagalang ka naman yun. Pero sana, inisip niya. Sana masaya ka. Yun lang.
Wow, thank you for that. I need that. I needed that.
Okay. Alright, let's go over here. So, bakit mo pinop yung balloon niya? Okay na daw.
Ano lang, parang nafe-feel ko lang sa kanya na parang kuya vibes. Like, not a romantic vibe. So, I don't wanna, like, take it further na malaman. Kasi parang yun na yung vibe ko sa kanya. And, ayun, parang kuya-kuya, ganyan.
Do you have any response to that? Hinga na malalim.
Okay, sige, gusto mo yan eh. Kwento mo yan.
Sorry.
No, just kidding. I mean, it's fine. I mean, that's his choice naman. Yun yung preference niya. Kasalanan talaga to ng AirAsia. Usap tayo sa labas later, ha? No, just kidding. But yeah, thank you. Nice meeting you.
Thank you then.
Well, thank you so much. We have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask one more question to help you narrow down your choice.
Okay. Ask ko lang na kung ilan na yung naging ex nyo and what was the reason ba't kayo nag-break? And gaano katagal? Yun.
Alright, so let's start over here.
Lahat ba?
Hindi naman. Siguro yung pinakamatagal.
Siguro yung pinakamatagal, yung recent din. A year and 5 months. Then, nag-break kami kasi sobrang toxic na ng relationship. Like, no third party, walang kahit ano. Sadyang, napagod kami sa isa't isa, away ng away. Puro misunderstandings. And yun, napagod sa isa't isa. Kaya nag-break.
Included ba yung babae?
Ikaw bahala. Kung gusto mo.
6. Then yung pinakalas, we lasted for 3 years and 8 months. Then the reason why we same decision. Walang third party, walang kung ano mang away. It's just that we have the decisions to stop kasi nagkaroon ng siguro nagkasawaan. Ay hindi siya siguro ganun talaga. Siguro nagkasawaan. Kaya we decided to end it up kesa ituloy pa kasi basta nagkaroon lang ng wala nang spark together ganun. Parang hindi na namin na-look forward together yung relationship namin kaya kami naghiwalay. That's it.
Pinakamatagal ko, to be honest, 6 months. 6 months, then kaya kami naghiwalay kasi paranoid na siya. Paranoid.
Okay.
Obsessed na siya sa Ganun po. To be honest, totoo po yun. Iba na yung pakikipag niya sa akin. Hindi na relasyon eh. Hindi na as a boyfriend. Andun na yung kahit saan ako magpunta, magugulat na lang kung nandyan siya. Which is pag nasa taping ako, nagugulat ako, nasa likuran ko na lang din siya. Which is bawal yun. So, ayun, parang nag-decide ako na maghiwalay kami on that 6 months. Yes, mahal ko naman siya. Kaso nga lang, mas inisip ko yung magiging kalagayan niya.
Right now, we still have 3 balloons here. So based on those answers, I'd like you to pop 1 balloon. Okay, let's go over here. So what made you decide na i-pop yung balloon niya?
Ayun lang, parang yung 6 months lang regardless of the reason is not, parang hindi siya ideal for me. Like for someone na makakadate ko kasi parang ibig sabihin nun like, yeah, I understand na there is a thing with your ex, pero siguro it's a reflection din somehow how you handle the relationship that led to that specific thing that you've mentioned. So, ayun lang. Parang short time man lang ako dun sa 6 months.
Gusto mo sana longer span of time?
Yeah, sana.
Okay. Do you have any response to that?
Yes po. Yeah, it's okay kasi para sa akin, yun na yung pinakamatagal kasi parang doon ako natuto magkaroon ng love sa sarili ko and pinaglaban ko din siya sa family ko. And also, doon sa short time for you. But it's okay and I love that. Thank you. Ganun.
Okay. Pero type mo naman ba sana siya if not for that? If not for the relationship time?
Like, medyo ganun.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much. Now we have 2 balloons left. So, sila naman na magtatanong ng questions sa'yo. Okay. So, what's your question for our sexy single?
Siguro yung question ko sa'yo is to know you more. Ano yung pinaka-ayaw mong trait about yourself?
Siguro I'm too persevere when it comes to, especially sa relationship, especially if I love the person talaga, I will fight for it. And sometimes, not compromise, but parang na-overtake ko na yung sarili kong like, happiness just to make the relationship work. So, somehow, good siya, pero I think hindi ko siya gusto for me kasi parang di ko na din alam yung worth ko sa ganun. So, I'm trying to figure it out. That's why I'm here. So, yun. Parang masyado lang akong mapilit sa mga bagay na gusto ko mag-work.
Alright, let's go over here.
Alright. Since overthinker akong person, how do you handle, for example, mag-away tayo? Hahayaan mo ba siya muna or pag-uusapan agad?
Okay. So, I'm very confrontational. So, once na malaman ko talaga, the emotions are really driving me crazy na to ask you right away. Kasi ayoko siyang i-bottle up, first of all. And minsan kasi, sa sobrang pagiging rational, parang di ko na-express yung sarili ko kapag nasa calm state. So, I let the emotions drive me para kung ano man yung gusto kong sabihin or gusto ko i-express, nasasabi ko siya at hindi siya napupuno sa akin. So, yun. Yung approach na yun din kasi parang gusto ko siyang ganun kasi gusto ko din na kung ano yung emotion mo at that moment na kumbaga kapag nagka-confrontation tayo, gusto ko mailabas mo din parang so that no filters sa relationship. Gusto ko lang naman kasi maging genuine eh. So, yun. Very confrontational talaga.
Alright, so since walang nag-pop ng balloon, I'd like you to choose 1 balloon to pop based on those interactions.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let's go over here. Bakit mo pinop yung balloon niya?
I really love the answers. Nakikita ko na it's very mature. Siguro yung sa physical appearance lang. Like, I want someone sana who's more buff and mas matangkad.
Taller.
So, yun lang. Pero I know parang for me, may mahanap ka pa na not better, pero not better than me, of course. May mahanap ka pa na kasi yung genuine mo. Kasi I feel like you're very kind. Sobrang mature mo rin. So, yeah, I love that for you.
Do you have any response for that?
I'm good. Thank you.
No response whatsoever.
Yes, I hope na maging happy ka kung sino yung pinili mo. Maging happy kayo together. That's it.
Okay, so we have one balloon left over here. So let's go over here. All right, so I just want to ask, sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Sure po.
And sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Pwede ba mag-ask pa ng question?
Okay, one final question.
If ever, top ka ba o bottom?
Just leaves. Exits frame.
Since LM naman, ano na kay top?
Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you again. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Sorry. No.
Oh.
Do I have to explain?
Do I
have to explain?
Please explain for the at home na joke lang.
For the people.
Okay, I guess hindi kayo naging match today, but thank you so much for joining our show. I hope nag-enjoy ka.
Yes, I enjoyed.
I hope you can join again in our next episodes. Thank you so much. All right, here comes our next sexy single. Woo! Hi. All right, so what's your name and how old are you?
I'm Sam, 31 years old.
Okay, and Sam, what do you do for a living or anong job mo?
I am operations specialist in a shared services company.
Okay. Ano namang hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
I love going out, adventure, and I am also a doll hobbyist.
Ooh. Okay, so ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner?
Nothing specific, basta gusto ko yung mabait, matangkad, masarap, kasama.
Kasama. Okay. And ano namang mga ano namang mga deal breakers mo or kapag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Siyempre yung sinungaling.
Okay.
Tsaka yung manluloko.
Alright. Okay, so right now may mga nag-pop ng balloons. So let's go over here and find out kung ba't sila nag-pop. So what's your name, how old are you, and what do you do for a living?
Hi, my name is Eds. I'm 23 years old, and I'm currently working at a BPO company. So yung reason ko kung bakit ko siya pinop is solely because of the age gap. Because there's a 7 years or 8 years age gap. So maybe he is too old for me, ganun. But aside from the age, walang reason para hindi ako sa'yo.
Okay. Type mo naman sana siya if not for the age.
Yeah.
Okay, do you have any response to that?
Pwede naman baguhin yung birth certificate.
Okay. Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
May chance.
May chance. Okay, sayang. Okay, well, thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Mark Jason, 20, and then I work as an admin. And then, medyo old sa akin kasi it's 11 years ang age gap namin. And, yeah. And then, hindi ko nakikita nakasama siya na maglalambingan kami. Nakikita ko siya nakasama sa bar. Na pumarty, na gano'n. Gano'n ko siya nakikita. Hindi ko siya nakikita na maglalambingan kami. Yan.
Do you have any response to that?
Tama ka naman. Kasi makikita mo nga ako sa bar as I'm a drag performer din kasi, by the way. So, makikita mo rin ako siguro in the future.
Okay.
Baka pang ano mo talaga, pang audience impact talaga kita.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
May chance din.
May chance din. Okay, let's go over here.
Hello, my name is Aaron, 24, and working in AirAsia as a ground attendant.
Okay, so bakit mo pinop yung balloon mo?
For me, I think same goes with others. Siguro ko yung age. Kasi I'm only 24 and nakikita ko siya as friends. More on magkasama sa bar, gano'n.
Anong response mo doon?
Sad naman, pero grabe kayo sa age, ha? Wala naman sa itsura.
Oh, wala naman.
At least di ako nagsinungaling. Mukhang 16 na lang naman. Gano'n.
Okay, pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yes, may chance din. Open naman ako sa kanilang lahat.
Okay.
I'm Alvin, 27 years old, and I am a freelance actor and a BPO, a call center agent. Ayun po.
So, bakit mo pinop yung balloon mo?
Ayun po, hindi ko po kasi siya na-feel as a romance or as jowa. Na-feel ko po siya as a best friend na parang makakasama ko sa daan with, laughing, parang bugbugan, gano'n. Yung parang physical na, parang normal as a gay friend. Ganun.
Okay. Do you have any response to that?
Pisikalan pala ang gusto niya.
Oo nga, nagulat ako sa bugbugan.
Pero siguro mga hampasan, banding-bandingan. Feeling ko naman, magkakaband kami nga as a friend.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
May chance din.
May chance din.
More chances of winning.
More chances of winning. Okay. Well, thank you so much. So right now, we have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. I'd like you to pop one balloon just based on what you're seeing right now.
Close your eyes.
Surprise! Ay, pa-suspense. Okay, let's go over here.
Hi, Hi, I'm Yan, 24. I work in a BPO company.
So, bakit siya yung napili mong ipop?
Actually, nawawala yung lipstick ko na shade of magenta kanina.
Okay.
Parang sa tingin ko, alam ko yung sino yung kumuha.
Oh my God! Do you have any response to that?
Tama.
Pero bakit hindi ka agad nag-pop ng balloon?
Ayun, same with the other contestant din. If I'm in the same position din, gusto ko rin mabigyan ng chance din sa umpisa. So, ganun din. Kasi super, may face card talaga siya eh. Perfect body with a perfect smile. Pero ayun.
Okay, so, type mo sana siya.
Pwede. Kasi, I'm into mature din eh. Tapos older sa akin din eh, ganyan. Pero hindi naman siya halata na parang nga siyang 16 or 2 months. Parang mga fetus.
Pa-fetus pala.
Fetus.
Kidding aside, pretty din naman siya. Parang more of aayusan ko siya. As marunong naman ako mag-makeup.
Okay,
parang,
so romantically, anong nafe-feel mo sa kanya?
Romantically, as a sister.
A sister.
Ayun. A sister na aayus-ayusan, kukulutin.
Alright. Okay, so now we have 2 balloons left. Sila naman ang magtatanong sa'yo ng question to help them figure out kung kamatch ka ba nila or not.
Hi, my name is King, 24. I was a drug artist full-time before change industry.
Okay, and ano namang question mo for our sexy single?
Do you believe in and then, anong masasabi mo sa commitment? Yung ganun.
Thank you for that wonderful question, ladies and gentlemen. With regards to commitment, for me, dapat pag nag-commit ka, wala na dapat bitawan yun. As in, halimbawa, for a relationship, dapat, in case na magkaroon ng problem or merong mga challenges, dapat i-work out mo since nag-commit ka. In anything naman, in life, in general. Dapat pag nag-commit ka sa isang bagay, gagawin mo ang lahat para i-work out yon and mag-succeed yung bagay na i-commit mo.
Okay, are you good with that?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Pao, 29, BPO employee. My question for you is, you don't have preference, right? Or do you have preference?
Nothing in specific.
Nothing in specific. Why?
Parang for me kasi, hindi mo kasi siya agad masasabi like, for example, for friendship, minsan nakala mo friend lang kayo but it turned out na magiging magka-relationship kayo. Parang for me kasi, dapat mas makilala mo pa siya before ka mag-judge.
Okay, are you good with that? Okay.
Ay, ayun. Mag-next question, please.
More pa daw?
naman ako.
Okay. All right. So, based on those interactions, I would like you to choose one balloon to pop. Oh, never mind. Okay, let's go back over here. So, bakit mo pinop yung balloon mo?
Kasi na-mention niya before, drag queen pala siya. Naalala ko, may mga past issues pala ako sa mga drag queen kapag nakaka-relationship. So, hindi siya mag-work.
Naalala mo lang ngayon?
Naalala ko lang ngayon. Ngayon lang at this moment. Thank you.
Okay, and do you have any response to that?
Thank you, may kusa ka naman pala. Hindi, joke lang. Nagkusa naman pala. Hindi. Pero sa tingin ko nga, parang as a drag performer din, may ganong something nga. Bilang nakikipag-interact kasi kayo daily sa iba't ibang tao na drunk.
Okay.
So may possible things na mangyari na hindi inaasahan. So,
Pero type mo naman sana siya.
may chance
May
din.
chance din. Okay. More chances of
More chances of
winning.
winning.
Pero final na yan for you.
Yes, fine. It is what it is.
It is what it is. Okay.
Committed siya sa answer.
Oh, at least committed siya doon. All right. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. So we have one balloon left. So let's go over here. Uy! Let's go over here. Any final questions that you would like to ask each other or okay na kayo?
Siyempre may tanong pa tayo para sure.
Okay, one question from you.
Siguro kung magiging teleserye tayo, anong title ng teleserye and why?
Okay.
500 words.
500 words.
Joke lang.
Essay.
Essay wala to. Ano, pangako sa'yo.
Bakit?
Bakit? Hindi. I mean, the reason why pangako sa'yo, kasi I'll promise na kung ano may naranasan mo sa past mo, I mean, I'm not saying na hindi ko naman sasabing gagawin ko yun, yung mga ayaw mo. But maybe I'll work out na yung mga ayaw mo is I'll improve more. Ganun. So, I'll promise na hindi ko. Basta yun eh.
You good with that?
Kantahin mo nga. Maniniwala ako.
Pwede mag-follow up.
Okay, follow-up question.
Follow up. What if you'll meet someone that has the same attitude with you when it comes to strong personality, and every time na magka-crush kayo is walang nagbababa ng pride?
As a strong, yung personality ko, willing ako mag-adjust in terms of sa mga friends ko, family, sa mga jowa man, ganun. Kaya kong mag-adjust. Ako na yung mag-a-adjust para maging okay lang ang lahat.
Oh. So balance out
Yes.
lang. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yeah, I'm sure.
And sure ka na ba sa kanya?
And I have a balloon. Hindi, sure na.
Yes! Okay, we have a pusuan match! Pwede mo na take yung hand niya. You can go off into the sunset. Happily ever after. Congrats! Woo! All right, here comes our next sexy single. Hi!
Hello.
All right, so what's your name and how old are you?
I'm Joen and I'm 23 years old.
And Joen, what do you do for a living or anong job mo?
I'm actually a registered medical technologist.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ano namang mga hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
Actually, I'm an ambivert, so I usually enjoy both outdoor and indoor activities. So indoors, I really love watching anime, playing mobile games, and listening to music. While outdoors, I really love going to malls, nightclubs, and even exploring nature.
Okay.
Yes.
Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Personality, physical, anything?
Pagdating sa physical, more on nagbe-base ako sa aura or vibe na binibigay nila sa akin.
Okay.
More than the physical. Yung biggest factor talaga sa preference ko is yung personality. I really like someone na merong emotional and intellectual na maturity. Someone who I can connect with.
How about sa mga deal breakers or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Number one deal breaker ko talaga is yung hindi marunong mag-communicate ng emotions and thoughts well kasi hindi naman tayo manghuhula, di ba? I also strongly believe na humility speaks louder than pride. Ganun.
Okay. All right. So as of now, wala pang nagpa-pop ng balloon. So I would like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Sorry. So, see.
Let's go over here. Hi, what's your name? How old are you? And what do you do for a living?
My name is Aaron, 24, and working in AirAsia as a ground attendant. And yeah, that's it.
Okay, so Aaron, bakit hindi ka nag-pop ng balloon mo agad?
I really love the perspective in his life, and I think we have the similarity on how he deal with the life. For example, yung mga sinabi niya kanina, we have the same perspective. That's it.
So type mo naman sana siya?
Pwede, getting to know each other.
And bakit naman siya yung napili mong i-pop?
So, siya yung una ko napiling na pop kasi among them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Among them 6, siya yung parang pinakaseryoso. Tapos, parang minsan kasi may serious mode din ako. So, ayoko naman na pares na kami seryoso. Baka hindi na kami magkakaintindihan.
So, masyado ng serious yung vibe pag nagsama pa kayo.
Ganun.
Okay. Pero kung hindi ganun yung vibe niya, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Most probably mas higher.
Hi, I'm Yan 24, work in a BPO company.
Okay, so ba't hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
As I mentioned a while ago, with the other contestant, if I'm in the same position din, parang gusto ko rin mabigyan ng chance sa umpisa, makilala rin, and then ma-share din kung anong meron ako, ganyan.
Pero type mo naman sana siya, or still getting to know?
May chance, pero feeling ko, may elbow sa dulo. Kasi dun sa sinabi niya, ayaw niya daw nung hindi marunong makipag-communicate. And I think dun din ako merong lack din sa pakipag-communicate. Pero I'm still trying to improve naman. Parang ganun kasi yung personality ko talaga. Pag may ginawa, tahimik na lang, hindi confrontational, ganyan.
Okay, and bakit naman siya yung pinop mo na balloon?
Actually, I find her cute. And, kung yung isa masyadong serious, parang sa kanya nakikita ko na masyado naman din siyang jolly. Feel ko, baka may times na magka-clash kami kasi yun nga may pagka-seryoso din ako. Tapos baka, nafe-feel ko lang naman din, na baka mag-aaway lang kami kasi magka-clash. Ganun.
Do you have any response to that?
Tama.
Tama. Yan lang. Okay, so right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons left. So I would like you to ask a question that will help you narrow down your choice.
How do you resolve your misunderstandings with your partner?
Okay, let's start over here.
Hi, my name is Eds. I'm 23 and I'm currently working at a BPO company. So, if ever man may misunderstandings, I think naman lahat is mariresolve through proper communication. So, ayun yung gagawin ko. I'll explain my side. I'll let my partner explain their side so that, alam mo yun, magkaroon kami ng communication para magkaroon ng kaliwanagan, ganun, enlightenment between the two of us na kung ano ba yung problem and then ma-resolve din as soon as possible.
Hi, I'm Mark Jason, 20, and then I work as an admin. And then for me naman is para ma-resolve yung isang problem, good communication, lagi naman talaga dapat gawin. Pero kasi for me kasi is ako lagi yung nagpapakumbaba. Even nagkakaroon ng conflict sa ating dalawa. Kahit ikaw yung may kasalanan. Ako na yung magpapakumbaba dahil lagi akong takot when it comes to relationship. Dahil hindi naman, sa totoo naman, hindi naman talaga ako kaanuhan, di ba? So, lagi akong takot na gumawa ng isang conversation na alam kong ikakatalo ko. So, that's why ako lagi nagpapakumbaba sa isang bagay.
Hindi mo follow up?
Okay, one follow-up question.
So, paano kung alam mo talaga na tama ka, magpapakumbaba ka pa rin?
Maybe. Kasi tawag dito, kahit naman tama ako, kung hindi mo siya may accept, dahil hindi mo din ako mapaniwalaan ng tama, magpapakumbaba pa rin ako. Para talaga, dahil dun sa fear ko nga na yun, gagawin ko lahat para maging okay. Bababa ko lahat yung pride ko para dun sa isang bagay na yun.
Hi, my name is King. I'm 24. I was a drag artist before and I quit and now I'm changing industry na. So to answer your question, kasi for me, hindi pa talaga ako nagkakaroon ng relationship. So I have no idea when it comes to relationship part. Pero when it comes to like, for example, dating or someone na dinedate na exclusively, what I usually do kasi is I let the situation cool down. Kasi naniniwala din ako na wag talaga magdedesisyon kapag masyado kayong mataas both. So ang mas maganda nyong gawin is pahupain yung yung emotion, but always make sure na mag-usap kayo right after para ma-resolve ko naman yung issue na yun.
Hi, I'm Albs, 27 years old and a freelance actor and a BPO employee. And ayun, pag sa question mo is, for me, let's talk about it. Kasi hindi siya matatapos hanggat hindi natin pinag-uusapan at hindi natin malalaman kung ano ba yung punot dulo ng pag-aaway natin. Maganda kasi lagi na meron tayong communication and also understanding.
All right, so based on those answers, I would like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Pinili ko tong yung una kong ipapa, pinili ko siya kasi parang kulang pa siya ng sureness sa sarili niya. Parang gusto ko before siya pumasok, kung kanino man, sana mas mahal na niya yung sarili niya and mas kaya na niya ipaglaban yung sarili niya. Kasi in the end, mapapagod din siya eh. Ayoko naman na magkataon na ganun. Kasi 'di ba, dapat pag sa relationship, parang bangka, both rows dapat yung gumagalaw. Sorry.
Let's start over here. Okay, so narinig mo yung explanation niya kung bakit daw siya nag-pop. So, do you have any response to that?
Wala lang. Thank you. Thank you for concern. Ayun lang.
Alright, pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yeah, I guess magiging okay. Dahil masipag ako magbigay ng ng treats. Parang aso. Treats. Hindi, I mean
Anong klaseng treats to?
Gagawin ko siya kung lahat para sa ikakasaya niya. Ganun.
But you're firm with your decision already?
Yes.
Okay, alright. Well, thank you so much. You also pop your balloon. Bakit siya yung pinop mo?
For his case naman, sabi niya kasi wala pa daw siya nagiging relationship. And then, I've been through some relationships. And meron kasing iba doon na first time nila, tas parang nagiging experimental ako. And then, yun yung natutunan ko na parang ayoko naman maging experimental ulit. I don't know if taxi cab theory ba yun, na parang you're just making a person better for the next one. So, kaya yun.
Okay. Anong response mo dun?
Okay.
Okay, thanks. Yun lang?
Yeah, yun lang. Thank you.
Pero type mo naman sana siya.
Ang cute yung smile niya, actually.
Thank you.
But you're firm with that decision already?
Yes po.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much. So we have 2 balloons left. So this time, sila naman na magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to figure out kung ikaw ba yung tamang match for them. Okay, so let's start over here.
So yung question ko is, parang siya, turog matalino siya for me. Turog matalino. So yung question ko is, apolitical ka ba?
To answer your question, no. Because politics for me is important kasi hindi lang hindi lang siya opinion dapat. Dapat kasi like kino-consider natin yung karamihan. Ganon. Kasi hindi lang ikaw yung naapektuhan, like in our case sa Philippines, like that.
Ano ang question mo for our sexy single?
How did you handle a relationship?
How did I handle a relationship? Actually, napaka-giver ko. Ganon. And then, I always take time kasi I believe na sa quality time talaga nakakabawi lahat. Like ganon. And kahit kahit hindi ganun ka-extravagant yung gifts, I also give gifts na alam ko na magugustuhan niya and ma-appreciate niya. Ganun ako sa partner.
Okay. Are you good with that?
Ang ganda.
Ang ganda. Okay. All right. Based on those interactions, since hindi sila nag-pop ng balloon, ikaw ang mamimili. Choose 1 balloon to pop.
Ang hirap. Kasi both sila parang matured na yung point of view in life. Parang alam na nila yung stance nila in life. Sorry.
Okay. Let's go over here. So, bakit siya yung na-choose mong i-pop?
Ang hirap kasi talaga between the two of them.
Mm-hmm.
And then, feel ko magkakasundo talaga ako either of them.
Mm-hmm.
Pero, wala lang. Feel ko lang.
Okay, gut feel lang.
Gut feel lang.
Na
Sinabayan
parang,
ko lang
okay.
yung gut feel ko.
Alright, do you have any response to that?
Wala naman. It's, ano talaga, mahirap and it's his choice, so we respect that.
Okay, well, thank you so much. Okay, so since we have one balloon left, let's go over here, please. Meron pa ba kayong final questions for each other?
Ask ko lang, kasi sa pagiging freelance actor ko and sa same time sa gabi, nag-BPO ako, paano mo may handle yung oras ko? Since sabi mo is quality time, paano mo hindi ka ba hindi ka ba parang magiging digger sa magiging oras na bibigay ko sa'yo?
Ako naman, tulad ng sinabi ko sa introduction ko na gusto ko ng tao na emotionally and intellectually mature. So, syempre, mahalagang bagay yung work eh. Career mo yan eh. So, for me, ang para lang sa akin, dapat, yun nga, communication pagdating sa kung ano man yung mga concerns, ganyan.
So I'm gonna ask you now, sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Sure.
Okay, and sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Sure po.
Okay, we have a pusuan match! Okay, you can take their hand and go off into your happily ever after. Congratulations! Woo! And that has been our show. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more episodes. All right, join us again next time for more Pusuan or Laruan! Woo!
La la la.